Hi everyone, in this short video I'll show you how to customize the start skill in your chatbot to remove the lead generation sequence and make it more generic and suitable to be used on your website or Facebook page. So once we copied the lead generation sequence from the start skill to the lead gen 1 skill, we have two copies of it. We need to remove these blocks from our start skill, and you can do it in two different ways. First of all, you can go to Bot Builder welcome message in the menu and click the restore skill. It will restore the default welcome message skill, and you will be able to customize the message right here from the welcome message page. For example, we can use something like this. Hi, welcome to ActiveChat, or your company name here. How can I help? I'm clicking save. Click update skill. And if I check this skill in the skills section again, you can see that the default welcome message skill is restored, and this skill is locked because we have this welcome message defined here in Bot Builder welcome message. Hi, welcome to ActiveChat, how can I help? If you want to further customize this skill, making it more specific for your business case, or maybe even adding a button to take your chatbot users right to the lead generation skill in your chatbot, you can enable Visual Builder for that skill, and then go again to Skills and choose Start Skill here. Hold the Shift button on your keyboard and select every block, hit Delete to start from scratch, and pull the text block somewhere on the canvas, connect it with the catch block, and type a message that your bot will display when customers start the conversation for the very first time. Hi, how can I help you? You can also add another button to this message, which will take user straight to your lead generation skill. For example, if your lead generation skill is collecting user data like first name, last name, email, phone number, and maybe company name for demoing your product, you can add another button here. Just click the editor and click button. Choose this event type button, and let's call it schedule a demo. And for event name, we will use this lead gen 1 event that triggers our lead generation skill. Lead gen 1. Don't forget to click run when you do the changes. And now you can test your chatbot. And you can see this welcome message and schedule a demo button that will take your customer directly to your lead generation sequence. This welcome message can be customized further. For example, you can ask a number of qualifying questions here and maybe direct your customers to other specific skills within your chatbot. We will be discussing this in a bit more detail in other videos of this onboarding sequence, so please stay tuned to our emails. Thank you. Have a great time with ActiveChat.